This is going to be a tutorial on how to assemble one of these banker boxes. Now it's got staples on there, but lots of companies sell them, and you buy these things from the store and you get them home and you wonder, how in the world do you put this together? And I'm going to tell you right off, there are videos online that will tell you how to do this in about 30 seconds. But I don't do that on my channel. This video is probably going to be 2 hours with lots of ads. Please support my channel with the thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, donation link in the video description. You know the routine. So let's go make about a 2-hour video on how to put this box together, and then you can support me and the world will be a happy place. Here we go. There are two sides to this box. What you want is you want to find the side that has this arrow and this flapper. You want your flapper to be flapping in the wind. This is the only side of the box. Oh, we do have some assembly instructions there. I never noticed that. Look for the side. The other side doesn't have this. The other side is solid. Look for the side that has this partial opening, this big, deep valley, and this arrow. And this thing, it says, I don't know if this is the lid. Oh, I guess this is the lid. Okay, so what you're going to do, you got this perforation over here. You're going to go over here and you're going to bend that, or you're going to break that. You're going to cut it on the perforated line. You're going to tear it. Now, I already warned you that there are videos on here that show you how to do this in 3 seconds. So don't leave a mean comment saying I could have done this in 2 seconds. If you continue to watch this, you are telling the world that you love me and you appreciate the time I am taking to make this video. So you don't even have to work that hard to get this thing to separate. I'm going to go over here on this perforation and I'm pulling, and I believe this is probably the lid. We're probably going to fold all of these pieces in, and well, it does say lid, so I guess that's what this is. We'll get back to this piece in a minute. I'm going to set this aside right now, and we will continue with the directions. Yeah, I guess it is the lid. We'll continue with the directions that I am not following. The next part is we have separate at perforation. We're going to have this on 2 sides. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over here and separate. I want to make sure that you can see this on the video. So we did that. Beautiful. Now let's turn the package over. Please turn your package over, and we are going to see this one. Another message that says separate at perforation. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to separate at perforation. So we have done 2 separations after removing the lid. Now we are going to go on to the next step. This is the tricky part because the camera does not want to put all of this into the frame. So what you want to do is you want to do this magical thing. You want to stand this on edge. Look at this. Stand it on edge and spread it open wide. There you go. We've just opened up our box. We've spread it open wide. And you can see over here, we have these pieces on this cutout on the top over there. And the piece has the cutout on the top over there. So you want to spread this open wide and leave the cutout pieces on the top. Let me show you what I mean by that. We've got the box open here right now. Let's see if we can see that. We've got the box opened with these little openings, the things, the perforations that we had before. That is on top, and you must put your box on the table. If you don't have a table, this is not going to work. We have these 2 side pieces over here with the openings. Those are going to be the handles, and we've got this piece over here. So what we're going to do is put the camera on the tripod and move the table away so that we can see all of this. We're going to place this piece over here. But we don't want to push it in all the way. We probably could. And we're going to take these 2 flappers. Okay, ladies, we're going to take the flappers and we're going to fold. Ooh, I just stepped on the lid. We're going to fold these in like that. And we are going to, do we have this on the Camerato? Okay, so we've got those in there. And now what we have is an absolute mess. So what do we do next? this over here. We are going to turn our box upside down. There we go. So what we've got now is our box is upside down. And we are going to grab this little opening over here and pull that. Oh, see, our box is going all over the place. We're going to lift that thing up, and we're going to reach in here. See, this would be easier if I was not making a video, but what we're going to do is we're going to grab that notchy. I'm going to show you, and we're going to lift it up to make the box, and we're going to lift this piece up to make the side. And now what we have done, we're going to make our box really tight, get the sides in there, and I can only assume that the last step would be, what do we, push this down? Is that what we would do? Oh, my side is interfering with my box flapper. Oh, I lost my towel. That's what we're trying to do right now. We've got the sides up there, and now we're going to take this big piece. See how it's caught in the corner? We're going to go over there and fix that up. There we go. Drop that down. Now we've got the bottom. Oh, is this a mitzvah tov? Look at this. We've got a beautiful box. Who in the world thought of this ingenious idea? But we are not done yet, are we? I don't think so. We need to go over to the side and knock this thing out. That's the handle. Does it come out all the way? I guess it probably comes out all the way. We probably could have done that beforehand and made it look a little nicer. Oh, that looks terrible. I'm going to get fired. And let's go over here. Yeah, the perforations on this are not as good. I would probably take... Oh, boy, there goes the job. They're walking me out the door right now. Look at this. I just ruined it. Oh, boy. Fire him, fire him. Look at this. What a mess. Okay, so we've got our handles over here now. Oh, we're not done yet. We have one more step. Make sure you click on that donation link. I saved your job while losing my own. Almost done. It says that I want to take my box and bend all the creases. So we have a crease over here, and we have a crease over here, and we have a crease. Oh, look at this. This looks like it's going to be the top of the box. There's no crease over here. They're tricking me. There's a crease over here. There's a crease over here. There's a crease over here. Oh, there's a little crease over here. And there's a crease over here. But the thing, oh, I think there's a hidden crease over here. You can barely see it. Oh, okay. We are almost done. Look at this. This is incredible. So how in the world do we put this together? That is the question we all want to know. I don't know. That's why this is my job. I don't have the ability to be an engineer and design this. I have a job putting boxes together. I'm going to take the end. We're going to bend it up. We're going to fold in our little arrows over here before the boss comes in and says, you've been working on this for 2 hours. When will it be done? Ladies, we're going to take our flappers and bend them inward. We're going to take this. Remember, we were supposed to bend this on the crease. So we're going to bend it on the crease. Oh, we got these little notches over here. So the notch is going to go into the hole. And then we're going to take the box and we're going to fold it over. Oh, is this ingenious? We're going to fold it over. Look at this. And we're going to insert our peg into the hole. Beautiful. Look at this. It's a mitzvah tov. And we're going to do the same thing, repeatin ustedes. We're going to take these two flappers over there. We're going to lift the edge up. Or you might want to lift the edge up and then put your little flappers in there. And then we're going to bend this over. And we're going to insert it into the hole. Okay, and that is, we're almost there. We're almost there. And now, that's very nice. We've put our banker box together. We've got our little pieces coming out of the top. We're not finished yet, are we? No, we're not, because we want to get our tight box that we just put together. Let's move the camera back. We move the camera back. Now we have the lid. I'm going to take this. We're going to put this on the top. And this, again, Fellows makes this, Banker's Box makes this, Staples, well, one company probably makes it and everybody puts their name on it and sells it. So that's how you put the box together. I hope I saved your job. I hope I saved you a couple hours. I probably saved you a couple hours. I know the video was long, it was entertaining, it was fun. I'm a wonderful person to listen to. I've educated you, I've helped you. Go into the video description, click on that donation link. $5,000 to PayPal would change my life. I would be more than happy to accept your donation. And hopefully you're doing this for home to put all of your financial statements in instead of doing this for a living for the man. All right, that's how you put the box together. Stay well, stay safe, stay happy. And don't leave any rude comments.